my dear students. How are you? I hope all are you good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let we start GK Unit 7, Chapter number 39, Human Science. Take right the correct answer. Question number 1. What is the largest part of the brain called? This cerebellum. Which part of the eye changes its size depending on the amount of light absorbed? Question number 2. The answer is C. Pupil. What is the hardest substance in our body? Enamel. Number 4. Number 4 is which of these is not a vital organ of our body? Stomach. Question number 5. Which organ produces bile? Liver. Question number 6. Which organ filters blood and makes urine? Kidneys. Number 7. The dash is the longest bone in our body? Femur. Number 8. Which of these is not a part of the nervous system? It is talion. So everyone, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 40. Great inventors. Read about the brilliant mind whose inventions and discoveries changed the world. Their ideas continue to shape the way we live today. Alfred Nobel invented dynamite. He obtained a large fortune from the development of dynamite and the other explosive. He made a lot of money from oil fields. He left his will to establish the Nobel Prizes. Isaac Newton. One of the greatest scientists who ever lived is best known for his ideas on gravity. Once, while sitting under a tree, an apple fell on him. Okay, so he thought that some force must have pulled the apple towards the ground. Okay, so he called this the force of gravity. Next is John Logie Baird. John Logie Baird was the inventor of mechanical television, making his first public demonstration on 25 March 1925. However, Paul Nipkow of Germany developed a rotating disc technology to transmit pictures over wire in 1884. To combat humidity inside a printing press, Willis Carrier built the first air conditioner in 1902. Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen was a German scientist who made one of the most useful discoveries of the 20th century, the X-ray. The oldest non-electric vacuum cleaner in the world, called the Whirlwind, was invented in 1869 by Lewis W. McGaffey. But the first electric vacuum cleaner that used both a cloth filter bath and cleaning attachments was built by the Hoover Company of New Berlin, Ohio in 1908. This was invented by James M. Spangler. Albert Einstein was one of the greatest scientists of all time. Computers and space travel, without his theories, may never have been developed. He was honored with the Nobel Prize in the year 1922. So, dear students, this chapter is here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 41. The computer. Fill in the blanks using words from the clue box. Number 1. Sanjay wants to cut out a portion of a picture. So he will have to dash the picture. Crop. Neha has chosen a slide for a PowerPoint presentation. This means she has chosen a template. Siba wants to turn or rotate an image. She can do so using the dash option. Flip or rotate. Number 4. Farah has typed a paragraph. Some words in it are made with red wavy underline. So this means she has made a spelling errors. Number 5. Manoj wants to select a particular word. He will have to dash on that word. Double click. Number 6. Suzanne wants to dash some text. She can do so by pressing Ctrl plus V on the keyboard. Paste. Number 7. Simi has used uppercase letters while typing. So this means she had used dash letter. Capital. Question number B. Write the names of these icons. Choose from the clue box. First one is text wrap. Number 2 is table. Number 3 is shapes. Number 4, clip art. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 42. Some common diseases. Some common human diseases are given below. Match them with the name of the organ they affect. Okay, stomach. Cholera. Option G. Pancreas. Diabetes. E. Appendix. Appendicitis. Option B. Gums. Pyorrhea. Option F. Throat. Tonsils. Tonsillitis. C. Lungs. Pneumonia. Number 7. Liver. Jaundice. Number 8. Respiratory tract. Asthma. Option D. Next. Eyes. Number 9. Cataracts. Option P. Skin. Eczema. O. 11. Head. K. Migraine. Intestine. Number 12. H. Typhoid. Feet. 13. Filariasis. In. Salivary glands. 14. Mumps. Option N. Nervous system. 15. Polio. I. And joints. Arthritis. G. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 43. Robots, Advanced Machines. Robots are amazing machines that can walk on their own. They can go into many places from space to deep underwater. Read the statements given below and try to find out the robots we are talking about. 1. It was the very first robot to travel across to a part of another planet. In 1997, the six-wheel robot explored the surface of Mars. First one is Sojourner. Sojourner. Number two, it can enter unknown areas to check for danger. In 2001, it searched the wreckage of the World Trade Center in New York for survival. Backboard. Number three, this robot can hover outside the windows of tall buildings. It can be used as a spy robot because it has microphones and cameras. Cypher. Number four, it is an eight-legged robot. It can climb into the crater of a red hot volcano to collect gas samples. Number four is Date 2. Number five, this robot was developed by Honda. It can climb stairs with ease. Its full name is Advanced Staff in Innovative Mobility. Number five is Asimo. Number six, it is a used car hushing monster. It uses hydraulic power to lift and destroy cars and trucks. It is Robosaurus. So, dear students, this chapter is in here. Now we will let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 44. Internet. Write the full form of the following terms. Okay, www. One. World Wide Web. 2. URL. Uniform Resources Locator. Number 3. WAN. Wide Area Network. Number 4. LAN. Local Area Network. IP. Internet Protocol. Bit. Binary. Digit. DTP. Desktop Publishing. Y2K. year 2000. kbps, kilobaht, kilobits per second. Number 10, PDA, personal digital assistant. Number 11, Dell, delete. 12, the WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get. What you see is what you get. Question number B. See the pictures and write their names. WhatsApp, Facebook, Google Chrome, email, Gmail, Messenger, YouTube, Twitter, number 8 is Google Maps. Okay, so dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 45. WWW, World Wide Web. The World Wide Web, or WWW, also known the web, is a system of viewing text, images, videos, and more via the internet. First one is browser. So it is program that allows a person to read and access information on the web. Example, Internet Explorer. Next one is Google. It is the best search engine for the web. Search engine. It is a service that enables a web user to locate websites by use of particular words. Why, yeah. Instant messaging. It refers to a communicate between internet users provided by services, example, Microsoft MSN and Yahoo YM. Blog. Short for weblog, it is a personal online diary. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मेल, जिसको हम शॉर्टकट में ईमेल कहते हैं. It is a system of for sending and receiving messages on the internet. Uniform resource locator, the address of a web page to which your computer is connecting. Joint photographic experts group. It is a format for the transmitting photographs over the internet. Portable document format. It is a method for viewing and printing documents on different computers. Dear students, the all chapter of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So we will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.